Ever wondered what it takes to become a biomedical equipment technician, or BMET for short? The journey typically involves a blend of education, training, and hands-on experience. The first step is securing a high school diploma, and many choose to pursue formal education thereafter. So, you've got your high school diploma and you're considering formal education. What's next? Formal education and training are key steps in your BMET journey. You might consider enrolling in a biomedical equipment technology program at a local community college or technical school. These programs offer a comprehensive understanding of medical equipment operation, maintenance, and safety standards. Alternatively, you could enlist in the U.S. Army, Navy, or Air Force for exceptional training at the Department of Defense Medical Education and AMP Training Campus, renowned for producing some of the world's finest BMETs. Once your training is complete, it's time to get some practical experience. Ready to apply what you've learned? Practical experience is crucial. Internships and on-the-job training offer invaluable insights, bringing theory into practice. Remember, some educational programs offer hands-on training as part of the curriculum. With your practical experience in hand, you might consider enhancing your prospects with a BMET certification. Though not always required, certification can provide you with a competitive advantage. You might want to consider obtaining certification from distinguished organizations like the Association for the Advancement of Medical Instrumentation or the International Certification Commission. Certification not only enhances your marketability, but also vouches for your commitment. Bear in mind, the field of medical equipment technology is constantly advancing. Take advantage of the chance to keep up with technological enhancements and best practices by partaking in continuing education and training programs. Now that you're certified and current, it's time to look for your first BMET role. You've come a long way. Now it's time to build your career. By seeking job opportunities in hospitals, healthcare facilities, or medical equipment companies. As a BMET, you can grow into advanced roles or even specialize in areas like imaging equipment or clinical engineering. Networking is key, so attend industry events and conferences. Adhere to safety standards. Your work ensures patient safety. Informed about the ever-changing landscape of medical technology. Becoming a BMET is a journey of continuous learning and growth. The field of medical equipment technology is continuously evolving, and so can you.